Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, did you enjoy typing in Word? Now let's have some more fun. Let's learn about presentation software PowerPoint. PowerPoint contains several features for creating a presentation. You can add text, shapes, drawing, pictures, photos, charts, sound, video, and tables, etc. So today we are going to discuss how can we insert tables in the PowerPoint slide. So let's start. First of all, you have to click on start button. After this, go to all programs option. Then you have to click on Microsoft Office. After that, under this, you will be selecting Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007, this option. So by applying these steps, the Microsoft PowerPoint window, it will open in front of you like this. Firstly, you have to go to new slide in the home tab. Select blank slide from it like this. In the next step, you have to go to insert tab. Once you will click on insert tab, this type of bar you will see under it. In this first option, you will be selecting table for inserting a table into the PowerPoint slide. Now go to insert table option. Here you have to enter the values for number of columns and number of rows which you want to enter in. First I have entered number of columns value, it is 5. Number of rows I have entered 2. After that, click on OK button. Once you will click on OK button, you will see that this table, it will get inserted on your slide. Now in the table, in each column, we will be typing some text. In the first column, we will enter roll number, field name. In the next column, we will type name, field name. After this, we have to enter class, then section. After this, you have to enter school. Like this, we have to enter all the field names in this table. Now I will tell you how can you change the table styles. See, in this ribbon, you can watch so many table styles are shown. You can select any one from it, as I have selected second one. So in this way, you can change the table styles. Now I will tell you how to apply borders around this table to make it more decorative. Firstly, we will click on borders option. Here we will find so many options are there. If you want borders all the sides, then click on all borders option. Then look at this cell, border, it has get inserted. But if you want border around the full table, then firstly you will be selecting your table like this with the help of your mouse. Now select all borders option. Now you can see the change. Now you have seen that in this table, around it, borders have been inserted. Now I will tell you how can you change the alignment of your text. Like here, roll number, field name we have typed, it has been aligned left side. If I want to align it in the center, then for that, firstly we will go to layout tab, then we will select the alignment options from it. If you want to align it in the center, choose center alignment button. So in this way you can align your text in the center. Suppose you want to align full text in the right hand side, then you can firstly select full row like this, then you will be clicking on right alignment button. So in this way you can see the change in your table, that text now it has been aligned to the right side. So in this way you can align the text in the table. Now we will apply another command. Go to design tab again. Now we will discuss how can we apply shading. See, once you will click on it, it will give you number of theme colors. So you can select any one color from the given colors like this. I am selecting from here blue one, light blue I am selecting. So look at the table now. Now borders, now around this color background it has been changed. It is filled with light blue color. So in this way you can change the background color of this row. So for today only this much. Today you have learned how to insert tables in the PowerPoint and how you can align the text in the table. After this you have also learned how to apply borders and background colors, shading in the Microsoft PowerPoint. That's all for today. Thank you so much.